Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Cash App for payments, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your mobile device. Tap on Sign Up to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. Choose the method you prefer for receiving confirmation. If you opted for email, check your inbox for a confirmation email. If you chose the phone option, look for a text message containing your confirmation code. Enter the confirmation code into the app when prompted. Next, you'll be asked to create a unique password for your account. Ensure your password is strong and secure. You may be asked to enter additional information, such as your full name. After that, you will need to verify your identity with your date of birth. Provide the necessary information about your address as well. Link a bank account or debit card to your Cash App for sending and receiving payments. Follow the prompts to add your bank account details securely. You may also have the option to link a credit card if desired. Take a moment to review all entered information for accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, tap on Next to complete your registration. You will then be directed to the main Cash App dashboard. Explore the features and familiarize yourself with the interface. Your Cash App account is now ready for making and receiving payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.